Let me share with you few tips to achieve what you see on the screen. Well marinated, fried, crispy and juicy turkey. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I will share with you simple herbs and spices to perfectly marinate your turkey. This recipe is a crowd pleaser. I bet you will love it. Please stick around and let's cook. The first thing we'll do here is getting our turkey wings ready. Now, this recipe is specifically for turkey wings. You can go for any turkey part of your choice. I love to take my time to clean or thoroughly clean my turkey. So please do not skip it. Don't say, why is she showing this part? Anyone can clean turkey. I hope you have no excuse for not taking the time to clean your protein because the taste will tell at the end. If you've just been cleaning your turkey with just water and that's it, please give it a try. Take your time, clean, and see the difference at the end of it. Okay. So imagine having those preserved stuff just to keep the turkey fresh and all that, or so many things. Okay, the hairs and all that. Having them at the end of it after frying your turkey, or not feeling comfortable to serve your turkey because you saw one hair there or you saw something unusual. So you know what I mean, okay? So I had to go in with a good amount of water, clean my turkey first, and then again go in with another set of water, adding vinegar or lime. You can as well go with salt, citrus. Things will just work out perfectly, get rid of all the foul smell in your protein, okay? So, but before we continue, I would say thank you so much for watching till this time. I truly, truly appreciate you. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Anniekrieger, a professional practice chef. I love to share amazing recipes with you. So if you want to see more in future, please stick around to my channel. I bet you will enjoy it here. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified. Here is the most important part, the marinating. I went for ginger, garlic cloves, I went for onion and habanero pepper. If you don't want it hot, please skip the pepper part, okay? Go ahead and blend all that, introduce to your clean turkey. Here I have fresh rosemary and parsley stems. If you have whole parsley, you can go for that also. I went in with some thyme. I went in with some chicken spice. Go for any chicken spice of your choice. And then again, I went in with some bouillon powder. You can go for any bouillon powder of your choice. We all have our favorite Maggi or taste booster that we go for. Mine already contains some amount of salt, so I had to skip the salt part. So it is up to you. You can cook along the line. Go ahead and taste after which it is well cooked. If not, harden taste, just season to your preference. Generously rub all the spices or the ingredients to your turkey. Bring into a cook or a boil for at least 10 minutes. That 10 minutes, all those amazing natural herbs and spices are going to stock into your protein, and then you will add in enough water, just depending on what you need the stock for. Okay, so cover it up again and let it cook to 80%, 80 to 85%. Now, from where I came from, we don't overcook our turkey. We want it a little bit, the Italian we say, al dente to spaghetti. So I don't know how to call this a protein on protein al dente, okay, not overcooking it. So keep the stock aside for a later use for jollof rice. Never throw amazing stock away. Stocks like this are meant to be preserved. Who never can tell. Now, the next step, we will proceed to deep frying. I have my oil in my pan. I have this oil used one, which I've used once, adding more oil. Heat it up, add in onion, add in rosemary, fresh rosemary or dry. You can add in thyme. I went in with some bay leaf. This is going to boost the flavor of your oil, okay, just to help the taste of your turkey. In the kitchen term language, we say parfumieren, okay, this parfumien. This is amazing way to boost the flavor or the taste of your protein again. Now let your oil get hot, introduce your turkey and fry. Now stick around, do not go anywhere. It can be very fast. You want to prevent letting it get too dry, okay? So now the turkey, it's not cooked like 100% very soft, full of bone, which most of us do not like. So now you still want to just over fry it. That way it will not taste good, okay? So just stick around, fry until you achieve what you saw on this video. Now, if you think I'm going to skip my grain marinade, you lie, okay? Now, for the sake of this video, I had to skip my grain marinade. But some will say, why is she always talking about grain marinade? What about those who don't have the grain marinade or who are not ready to make the grain marinade, who do not want to take the time to make grain marinade? Yes, you can choose your marinade or your spices, your herbs, and just prepare them fresh if you don't have the grain marinade, okay? And also it just will take a little bit more time. And also, if you don't like garlic and ginger and say our mothers did not use it in their recipes, you are missing it. The train is moving. Those things are actually very healthy. If your family does not like the taste, you know what you would do? Just skip it in. Just put small, start from small. They are not in the kitchen with you, right? They will never tell. The more you start gradually putting it in their meal, because if you let them know, they will not eat it if they are not used to it, if you've not started it long ago. So just start gradually by, adding little by little until they get used to it, because it's going to help their guts, it's going to help a whole lot of digestion system and all that. So I hope you enjoy watching this video till this time. Guys, look at what we have here. Our turkey is looking super, super delicious. And I bet you will like this recipe. The taste turned out amazing, crispy and juicy. Now, from here, you can just make use of your turkey however you want to have it. You can make peppered turkey. You can make suya turkey, however you wish to have your turkey. Like it's a crowd pleaser. Everyone will love this recipe if you try all this out. I hope you enjoy watching. Thank you so, so much. Leave your opinion in the comment section. Would you try this one out? Let me know. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the notification bell just to be among the first person to be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for coming in. See you all in my next one, and bye for now.